In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your Researchgate score. This is my score here. When somebody see your score and your score is higher, so he or she will think that he or you are a good researcher because of your score. And this scores come from how many things? In this video, I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to show you that how to increase your scores if you do not have a publications. Doesn't that mean? So let's go to my score and you will see here. For example, if you are a good researcher, it's okay. If you are a good researcher, so my Researchgate score is 29.9, almost 30. And when we break down this score, so it is coming from four main factors. The first one is publications. So you see, I am a good researcher, so I have so many publications. Almost I have 18 publications with high impact factor journal. So if you publish in a high impact factor, so this score will increase very tremendously. So if you have a good researcher and if you have publications, so just upload your work to Researchgate, so this score will increase. So my major contribution is from publication. You see here. And the second one is I am asking questions. You see here, I am asking question in Researchgate. Yesterday I asked question. So Researchgate says that this guy is very active in Researchgate and they are interacting with people. So this almost 14% score is from my question. And I also answer few questions. So from the contribution is also from there. You see, 2.59. And I have also followers because I'm not that kind of good researcher to people follow me, but I have few followers. So it is this small contribution is there. So now let me give you the strategy. The strategy is, if you have a good researcher, if you have a good publication, so your Researchgate will go automatically up. There is no way this score will go up. But if you do not have a publications and if you wish to have a good Researchgate score, so you need to ask question. I know if you are at the early stage researcher, so you do not answer, but you can ask questions. You put the questions very well. You see here, and you can answer also. You just go in there. For example, my research, my activity, look here. And yesterday I asked this question here. This one, yes. You see here, at current stage, perovskite solar cell is expensive than silicon. I made the video on this, so this is why I just put here question, and it got one answer yesterday, and very nice answer it got. You see here, this answer you see. This person, mashallah, explained that the perovskite solar cell are cheaper than silicon solar cell. It is estimated that it will cost only from 10 to 10 cents for 1 peak watt, while silicon solar cell costs 75. So it's very good answer I got. You see here, and he also sent me the link, all the information detail. So this is how you can increase your score when you asking questions. And you know, you will see amazing thing here that in this question, for example, when I ask here, so these people are here following here. You see now the 4 followers of these questions are here, and 13 people read this question. You see here. So I mean that you must need to ask questions and answer. And secondly, you do not worry about your that you do not have the publication or those things, because you can add so many other things. Like look here, you can add conference paper, you can add presentation, poster, everything. So don't worry, whatever you have related to research, you just upload it here. So that will enhance your score and it will give a good impression about you. Thanks for watching.